This only happens once in 250 years. And we have the exclusive here, the Victorinox 250 anniversary limited edition 2026 edition knife here. It says over here America's 250 stamped right on here. The whole thing is made out of Alox metal, which is just amazing when it comes to the quality and how it actually looks. In fact, because there's only 1,776 of those knives ever made for the year that America celebrated its independence. In fact, this thing was sold out within 1,776 seconds when it actually went online, and I got one of the only editions of this. And you're not going to find this almost anywhere except probably on eBay. And it comes in this beautiful box over here. I think this thing is going to fetch someday. You're going to be looking at $400 to $500 how much this collectible is going to go for. The reason why, it's very simple. There was only one time America celebrates 250 years. And this makes it an exclusive and only available edition. Not only that, furthermore, this whole thing is metallic, unlike other ones. What makes the metal so great is that not only you can feel it over here, it also looks absolutely stunning. The design, and it's one of the best finishes you can have in a knife, because it's not gonna just fade away unlike any other graphic. Not only that, this is one of the best knives that Victorinox ever makes, and it makes it the best memorabilia knife that you can get for yourself. So we have the stars over here, we have the blue right here, we have the red on this side over here. Switch it to the other side, we have the flag, we have the red, white and blue right throughout this entire knife here. Then we have the limited edition box, which is just a beauty by itself just as well. There's going to be a link right in the comment where you can get your own version. There's going to be one lucky person who is going to actually buy this. There might be other ones that are on eBay, but I highly doubt most people are going to sell their copy. Most people are just going to keep this as a collectible because the price is just going to go up over time. And take a look at the inside. There is a surprise right in here. When you open this up, look right there. There is a saying that no knife that is not engraved is not worth a collectible. And in this one, it says life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness right on the knife itself. And this looks just beautiful in terms of marksmanship. So definitely this knife is a beauty, but it also features all the rest of the usual tools you should expect with this knife as well. And of course, the battle opener and the can opener on both ends over here. We also have the scissors here as well. We have the regular knife, and that's about it. Lots of different tools all throughout this knife, making it an exclusive that you gotta have in your collection.